On May 19th, the National Transportation Safety Board, or NTSB, released a detailed video explaining how the tragic crash of UPS Flight 2976 took place. The full video is available on the NTSB's YouTube page, but here's a shorter summary. After slowly and meticulously explaining how a component failed and led to the separation of the MD-11's left engine and pylon and subsequent crash, the NTSB includes surveillance footage of the crash played back at 50% speed. The NTSB explains that the crash was the result of the failure of a spherical bearing, which was found to have fatigue cracking from several locations. The fatigue cracks grew outward over time, leading to the eventual splitting of the spherical bearing. Because of this undetected cracking and splitting, the intense forces of flight put uneven stress on this part of the aircraft, where forces should have been distributed evenly. And so it's explained that during the accident flight, the lugs could no longer carry the load and completely fractured, leading to the failure of other components securing the engine to the pylon. The tragic crash resulted in the deaths of 15 people, including 3 crew members and 12 people on the ground. Aerotime notes that investigators are also reviewing a 2011 Boeing report that identified 4 prior failures on 3 different aircraft. The hearing is also reviewing design requirements for the components and FAA oversight of the issue over the past 2 decades. The crash led to renewed scrutiny of the MD-11 fleet and resulted in UPS completely retiring these trijets after the accident. FedEx, on the other hand, has been firm on its plans in returning its MD-11 aircraft to service, with a test flight taking place in May 2026 after the FAA lifted a grounding order. Western Global Airlines officially followed FedEx in announcing its plan to return the MD-11 freighter to service. The airline resumed operations on May 21st following the Federal Aviation Administration's approval of Boeing's inspection and repair program for the aircraft type. The UPS tragedy had echoes of American Airlines Flight 191 back in May 1979. In this incident, a DC-10 also experienced a separation of the left engine. In this older instance, however, strut failure was determined to have been the cause, which itself was the result of unintended structural damage which had taken place during engine/pylon reinstallation using a forklift. What do you think of the NTSB's findings and explanation? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.